How to fix NFC is not working in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, enable NFC, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on connected device, click on connection preferences, click on NFC and turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable NFC from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update all apps, open setting, go back, click on Play Store, click on your profile icon, scroll down, click on manage app and device, click on update available. Now here you will see all update apps, and if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset device settings and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix if NFC is not working in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.